Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an eyeliner sketch pen. First, make sure your eyelids are clean and completely dry. This helps the eyeliner adhere better and prevent smudging. Next, select a sketch pen with a fine, flexible tip. This type of tip allows for greater control and precision, which is essential for creating sharp lines. Finally, have a mirror and some cotton swabs ready for any quick touch-ups. Now, let's apply the eyeliner. Begin by placing small, connected dashes along your upper lash line, starting from the inner corner and working outwards. Keep your hand steady and your eyes slightly open to see your progress clearly. Don't try to draw one continuous line. Small dashes are much easier to control. You can gradually build up the line's thickness to achieve your preferred look, whether it's subtle or more dramatic. For a classic winged look, start by drawing a small dot where you want the wing to end, aligning it with your lower lash line for a flattering angle. Connect this dot back to your upper lash line, creating the bottom edge of your wing. Next, draw a line from the outer corner of your upper lash line to meet the top of your first line, forming a triangle. Finally, carefully fill in the outline to complete your sharp, elegant wing. After applying your eyeliner, allow it a few moments to dry completely. This crucial step prevents smudging and ensures your look stays flawless throughout the day. If you need to make any corrections, a cotton swab dipped in a small amount of makeup remover works wonders for cleaning up edges or fixing mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.